look at the unique material creating silence in your vehicle. What is soundproofing and how is it made? Since the materials are installed directly on the metal parts of the car body, before we begin soundproofing, we need to dismantle the car. The vibration of flat surfaces begets noise inside the vehicle. That's why they are to be treated with a vibration-absorbing coating. Using standard plastic materials, car owners can get rid of noise by themselves, but professionals have their own secrets. They apply the vibration-absorbing coating Aero. It is one of the most lightweight materials used for soundproofing. Vibroplast consists of the granules of the special polymeric substance. It is a base for a super lightweight polymer material. The primary products are put into the batcher, which helps to measure out the required quantity of each component. Then, via screw feeder, the substances are transferred into the mixing tank. The machine properly mixes polymer chips, oil, and some other components. The ready-to-use mastic material coming out of the mixer is divided into equal parts. During mixing, the material becomes hot, so the loaves are taken to conditioning rooms. They should cool down to the temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. The future material will be covered with aluminum foil. The coil is fixed on the unwind machine. Meanwhile, the machine is being filled up with black and golden dies. The foil is brought up on the test pulley. At this stage, the background for the pattern is created. The die should dry up quickly, that's why there is a dry chamber behind the pulley. The same in the second stage of printing. Such a pattern not only improves the appearance of the material, but also helps the installers to cut out a required part using the markers. The foil is coiled again, weighed and transferred to the assembly room. The loaves, which have cooled down to the required temperature, are transported to the machine with the coils of foil and protective paper. The loaf is loaded into the mouthpiece looking like a huge mincing machine. The softened mixture is transferred to the calibration plate. Here the thickness of the layer is set, exactly 3 mm. At this stage, all components are combined, forming a band. Vibroplast is easy to use with the embossment made on the embossing roller. Then, Aero is cut into sheets with a huge cutting machine. After their thickness is measured, the material sheets are sent to the laboratory for quality control. Here the peel strength is measured. Then the stickiness is tested. The material sheets shouldn't stick together during transportation. Once quality is tested, material sheets are put into packing cases. The boxes carry protective holograms, stickers with the date of expiry, and technical information. Each box goes through a shrink scraper where it is heat-sealed in a wrapping foam. Then the boxes are delivered to stores and installation centers. Now is the turn of installers to work with materials. In case they're using poly surfaces, material sheets should be cut out accurately. Markings on the foil help to do it easily. Aero perfectly adheres to metal surfaces. To strengthen the adhesion, the installer presses the material to the surface with a special roller. The entire surface should be treated properly. The embossment helped the installer to understand which zones haven't been pressed down yet. For complex soundproofing, various materials are used. Each of them absorbs a particular type of noise and vibration. Once the surfaces are treated, we need to assemble the vehicle. Numerous tests show that soundproofing significantly reduces noises inside the vehicle. Now you know how soundproofing materials are produced and what materials bring comfort and silence to your car.